Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Chrome and click the three dots menu at the top right. From that menu, select More Tools than Extensions to open Chrome, / extensions in your address bar. Scan the list for enabled and disabled items. Each card shows the name, version, and a brief description. Toggle Developer Mode on to reveal each extension ID, hidden permissions, and the Inspect Views button for background pages. Use the search box at the top to find extensions by name or publisher quickly. Click Details on any extension card to view its permissions and site access settings. Review access to file URLs, site access set to on click or on specific sites, and granted permissions listed under Permissions. Use the Inspect Views button to open background pages and view console logs for runtime errors or network calls. Check the extension ID displayed in developer mode to verify origin and confirm it matches publisher documentation or the Chrome Web Store listing. Toggle the switch on any extension card to disable it without removing it from Chrome. If you want to uninstall, click Remove and confirm the action in the dialog. This deletes the extension and its local data. Enable developer mode and click Update to force extension updates to the latest published version. For enterprise-managed devices, check Chrome / policy for enforced extensions and compare your list to synced Chrome profiles to ensure consistent extensions across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.